Attention! If you've recently been implicated as the proprietor of a Ponzi scheme, mortgage scam, or any other financial swindling, you may be going to jail.
And that's where I come in. Hi, I'm lifelong criminal Chuck Snuffmore, and I'm here to help you. Let's face facts. You and I are from two different worlds. You're white collar. I used to stab old ladies in the face for their purses. Look, prison's no place for the uninitiated. One wrong step and you're done. That's why I'm offering you the benefit of my vast knowledge of the interior of the penal system with my instructional DVD series, Chuck Snuffmore, Welcome to the Jungle. You'll learn important lessons about how to use phone books as armor. Proper technique dictates that you put the phone books around your waist for safety.
What if you get stabbed in the face?
Oh, f*** you. What can and can't be smuggled in your anal cavity. Good ideas, weapons, narcotics. Not so good ideas, light bulbs. And of course everyone's favorite, rape. Hey, it's all about proper self-management. Prison's not going to be a walk in the park, but you might be able to walk a little bit easier with these DVDs. If you order now within the next 10 minutes, you'll get your very own shank, free of charge. Hey, it's a jungle out there, and I'm here to help you survive.